Kamau feared many things in life: electricity bills, unexpected visitors, and worst of all, WhatsApp contribution groups. One peaceful afternoon, Kamau's phone buzzed. "You have been added." Kamau froze. Group name: Support Peter's Big Wedding. Kamau didn't even know Peter properly. The last time they spoke, Peter borrowed a pen and disappeared with it permanently. Then the message arrived. Everyone is contributing. 5,000. Kamau sat down slowly. 5,000 for love that was not even his? Mary looked at him. "What happened?" Kamau whispered, "I have entered a financial ambush." Then the treasurer typed, "Kamau is very responsible. He can send fast." Kamau nearly fainted professionally. He checked his balance, 2,700 Kenyan shillings, and unfinished dreams. That evening, Kamau muted the group, archived the chat, even prayed spiritually, but the messages kept coming. "Kamau amesemaje?" Finally, Kamau replied, "Guys, currently I'm supporting Peter emotionally." The group went silent. Dangerous silence. Then one member replied, "Emotions cannot buy tents." Mary laughed so hard she left the room. The next day, Kamau sold an old speaker, skipped nyama choma, and painfully sent the contribution responsibly. Because adult life is just surprise expenses, wearing nice clothes.